Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
California suffered its first rolling blackouts in nearly 20 years because energy planners didn't take climate change into account and didn't line up the right power sources to keep the lights on after sundown, according to a damning self-evaluation released Tuesday by 3 state agencies.
Let's help you make your mark.
Due to high electricity demand, California imports more electricity than any other state, 32% of its consumption in 2018, primarily wind and hydroelectric power from states in the Pacific Northwest, via Path 15 and Path 66, and nuclear, coal, and natural gas-fired production from the desert Southwest via Path 46.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.